In an emergency, two-way radio communications needs to perform under the most extreme of conditions. Global mobile radio company Hytera has specialised in designing professional radios for mission-critical situations, including a specialist range operating in explosive atmospheres.
What we got is a primary role is search and rescue.
Fire and rescue services rely on teamwork and two-way radios to get vital intelligence to and from crews on the ground. Being able to communicate clearly in any emergency is crucial to manage the situation safely and effectively, and they need to reap the benefits of ongoing improvements in modern voice communications.
Communication is always a problem when it comes to any debriefs or any incidents that we have. We always tend to find an issue with communication. We had an incident where the communication didn't work effectively, where our BA crew or breathing apparatus crew went to the first floor above a fire, and that's a bit of a no-no when it comes to fire service activity, especially when they don't know the state of the fire, and our activities did have an impact upon that BA crew such they had to evacuate.
Current radios provide basic communications in ideal environments, but they can let firefighters down when they're working underground and in explosive situations. However, the biggest daily challenge they face with their communications is with environmental interference from their rescue equipment.
We will have noisy generators, we'll have noisy positive pressure fans, and they cause a barrier to communication for us. And the radios can't handle that noise, if you like, from any of the other equipment.
There's a drill going on behind me where firefighters are trying to clear smoke out of a building and ventilate the area as soon as possible. And you can hear how noisy it is and how that's affecting communications.
That's when a company like Hytera can help out. The two-way radio manufacturer collaborates with its authorised resellers to deliver exactly what customers want.
Built into the Hytera radio are automatic noise cancelling features, so that whenever one of the fire officers talks into his radio, it automatically cancels out any background noise, such as fires or flood water or anything like that. The radio will process the voice frequencies and automatically cancel anything out that isn't a noise related to the voice.
Not only does Hytera manufacture noise-cancelling two-way radio systems, its new Zone Zero ATEX product has been designed specifically so that it can be used not just around a dangerous area, but also inside something as highly explosive as a fuel tanker.
We are arguably the most innovative manufacturer in the industry. We are first to market with a number of products, full duplex DMR radio. So I can see that being a huge advantage to the fire service. If you imagine a situation with an officer wearing breathing apparatus, he doesn't need the inconvenience of using a press to talk button, even if it's a large one on his chest. Once a call's set up, he can talk and receive freely. We call that full duplex. So in the same way you use a mobile telephone, for example.
And it doesn't stop there. Hytera's RD965 standalone portable repeater is battery powered and so waterproof it can be submerged in fresh water at 1 metre for up to 30 minutes. And Hytera is about to bring its revolutionary new dual mode product to market.
With the progression from Tetra to LTE, keeping in mind that the fire service also requires a fireground radio, we have combined LTE and DMR in one device.
Combining those two technologies gives the firefighter the ultimate in modern voice communications, a mission-critical fireground radio and an integrated Android smart device.